change. Change the masculine nouns to feminine nouns. Masculine and feminine. We have already done quite a bit. Masculine. Change the masculine. Change the masculine nouns into feminine nouns. The first one I have for you is the tiger sprang at the hunter. The tiger sprang at the throat of the hunter. This tiger sprang at the throat of the hunter. Now, that's the sentence I have, and what we are trying to do here is changing. If it is masculine to feminine, now let us look at here. You have tiger, then you have hunter. And we need to change the tiger and the hunter, the form from masculine to feminine. That's what we must do. For tiger, what will you say? Tigress. Hunter, huntress. Very good. So, the sentence will be the tigress. Look at the mind the spellings, okay? The tigress sprang at the throat of the hunter. Sprang at the throat. The huntress. Hunter, huntress. So, the tiger sprang at the throat of the hunter. You change the tiger into tigress. The tigress sprang at the throat of the huntress. So, we change the hunter to huntress, tiger to tigress, changing the masculine nouns into feminine nouns. Another sentence we'll do. That widower, that widower is the father of 6 sons. The sentence is, that widower is the father of 6 sons. So here we have widower, father and sons. There are 3 masculine nouns to be changed over. Now let's look at it. You will say that widow. Yes, very good. That widow is the, we'll change the father into mother. Widow is the mother of 6 daughters. Very good. That widower, that becomes widow, is the father, becomes mother of 6 sons, it becomes 6 daughters. Good. Another sentence for you. The hero is a poet. The hero is a poet, and here we need to look at some word, hero and the poet. The feminine gender for the hero is heroine, poetess, poetess. So, you will say the heroine is a poetess. Heroine is a poetess. The hero is a poet. The hero, you say, the heroine is a poetess. And finally, I give you one more sentence. The hero is a poet. I give you some more words. Prophet, then, and a priest. That gives us two more feminine. Okay. So hero, heroine, poet, poetess, prophet, prophetess, and then you have priest. For priest you have priestess. Priest you have priestess. So the heroine is a poetess, prophet, prophetess, and a priest, a priestess. So at 1, 2, 3, 4, masculine, we are changing into feminine here. The hero is a poet, prophet, and a priest. We have 4 words to change. So you say the heroine is a poetess, prophetess, and a priestess. I think we can do one more, and that is the prince. The prince the actor, Prince the actor, who was a traitor. Okay, now the words to be changed are prince, actor, and the traitor, whether it's a masculine or feminine, it remains the same. So we have here the prince become princess, the princess, the actress, princess, the actress. Who was a traitor. So now let's look at all the sentences we have here. We are changing the masculine nouns into feminine nouns. The first we have is the tiger sprang at the throat of the hunter. Tiger, hunter. The tigress sprang at the throat of the huntress. Then we have the widower is the father of 6 sons. Sons, father, and widower. That widow is the mother of 6 daughters. Then we have the hero is a poet, prophet, and the priest. So we have hero, poet, prophet, and priest. So the heroine is a poetess, prophetess, and a priestess. And finally we have the prince, the actor, who was a traitor. Then you say the princess, the actress, who was a traitor. So we have now come to the end of the changing of masculine nouns into feminine nouns.